So dinner time now anyway, back to the car, and I'm going to have a little drive to Skutafoss, which is a waterfall not far from me, about 15-minute drive. So I'm going to have a drive up there and see what that's all about. I'll see you when I get there. Here we go then, guys, we're on the road again. I'm on the road again. I'm on the road again. So I've left Stocksness Beach behind and Eystrahorn. Absolutely wonderful places. Right, I'm heading to Skutafoss now, if I can find it. About 15 minutes drive, so that's not too bad at all. Through the tunnel. Right, 600 metres up this gravel track. Should take us to the car park. Look at them beautiful mountains up there. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Like the Lake District on steroids. You all know how much I love the Lake District. Jesus. Wild, rugged, absolutely beautiful. Well, it's turned out to be quite a nice day weather-wise, considering the forecast this morning was pretty poor. I know we had that bit of snow earlier on down at Stocksness Beach, but that was quite nice, to be fair. It didn't last long. Then we've had blue skies and quite nice lighting, so the weather gods have been on our side again today, which is good. So yeah, I'm just walking to Skutafoss now, which is a few hundred yards up the valley. But before I go there, I found a rather nice little cascading waterfall where I've stopped off and I've been taking pictures. Got a lovely small cascade, big mountain in the background, snow-capped, clouds swirling round the top. Absolutely phenomenal, to be fair. So, got some cracking photos there. I've been doing sort of fairly long exposures, 1.5 seconds to 2 seconds, to smooth the water out and give it that milky, dreamy effect. So I'll spin you around and you'll be able to see my view, which is very, very nice. Not too shabby at all, that, guys, is it? Not too shabby at all. Just look at the colour of that water. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And not a soul about. It's absolutely wonderful. And then you can just see the summit of the mountain sticking out the top of the cloud. Gorgeous. I'm just bracketing these shots, guys, because it's quite dark in the foreground and the water, and the sky's quite bright. So I'm bracketing the shots and I'll blend them together in Photoshop. These are going to be absolutely frame worthy. Beautiful. I'm shooting at f8 there, 1.6 seconds, and ISO 50. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm fair capped with those images I've just got there, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And they will be frame worthy, I think. A little bit of post-processing required for them. They will be absolutely stunning. Lovely location this, just off the beaten track. No human beings about. Peaceful, quiet, solitude to die for. So I'm going to pack my camera gear away now, make my way a little bit further up the valley to the next waterfall. So I'll see you up there. Bye bye. Well, that didn't take long. Literally 10 minutes from the car. Little hike up here. And this waterfall is called Skutafoss. Absolutely delightful. Beautiful. That water running straight down off the mountains. Probably the best water you'll ever taste in your life, that. Pure and fresh and clean. Oh, it's lovely. This fall's actually quite big when you get up close to it. I would say maybe, what, maybe 30 to 40 feet high. And I tell you what, the noise is deafening down here. Really, really loud. It's coming down with some venom there, like. Look at the colour of that water. Beautiful. Not bad at all, guys, not bad at all. Right, I'm going to get the camera set up and get some shots of this beauty. Right, I've got the camera set up here, guys. I've just had to change lenses over. I'm sorry about the noise, it's deafening here. So yeah, I've changed the lenses over now. I've got the Tamron 17 to 28mm f2.8 on here now, because it's quite a wide scene, it's quite a wide waterfall. And my other lens, it wasn't wide enough, so I've changed the lenses over. I've got a polarising filter on to cut through the glare in the water. The water's beautiful, like aquamarine colour. So polariser, reduce the glare. I've got a 6-stop filter on, so I get a nice long shutter speed to give it that dreamy effect on the water. And I've also got a 0.6 ND grad for the sky, because it's dark down here and light up in the sky. So polariser, 6-stop filter, ND grad. So with them 3 filters combined, I'm shooting at f9, ISO 100, and that's giving me a 3-second shutter speed, which is just a perfect effect for the water what I'm after. So that's looking beautiful on the back of the camera. What a beautiful waterfall that is. I hope you can hear me because it is loud down here. Absolutely stunning waterfall. So I've got some top draw images there, guys. Nice long exposure stuff which I was after. So I'll be well happy with them, I think. So anyway, the question being now, do I go back to my accommodation and have a chill out, or do I go somewhere else? There's that many places to see over here and photograph. It's relentless. For the last 4 days I've been non-stop morning till night. Non-stop, flat out. I want to see as much as I can and capture as much as I can on camera. So anyway, I'm going to get my gear and I'm going to toddle off back to the car. Wow! Holy shit! And waves aren't half crashing in now, guys. I'm at a place called Eystrahorn, which is about an hour's drive from where I was this morning at Eystrahorn. Jesus Christ. The sea ain't half choppy here, the waves are smashing against these rocks. I'm getting some phenomenal photos, but I tell you what, it's a little bit sketchy up here. I am panicking a bit, I must admit. So I've had the camera set up there, been getting a few shots, but Jesus Christ, it's ropey. My God. So yeah, this is Eystrahorn. It's the furthest point that I'm going in Iceland from where I started in Keflavik. This is the furthest point east. So from here, it's a case of turning back round and heading back from east to west. So I've got 2 more nights over here in Hoffen, so there's plenty of time and opportunity for more photographs. I'd like to come back here when the light's a bit better, to be honest, because it's quite flat light, but the waves are spectacular, so that makes up for the poor lighting. So I've been stood here about half an hour, and my God, some of the bloody waves, absolutely incredible. It's calmed down a little bit now, so yeah, I've got some great photos, I'm happy with them. Been playing about with different shutter speeds, some fast shutter speeds to capture the waves as they crash, and then some slow shutter speeds to get the motion in the water. So I've been mixing it up a little bit, and yeah, it looks phenomenal on the back of the screen. So what I might do now is, as a camera, what I might do now is go up a bit further on the rocks out the way and get the drone out and get some drone footage, because it's quite spectacular around here, the scenery like. So I'll get the drone out and do a bit of recording video, and I'll put that in the vlog and you can have a look at it, see what you think. That is one choppy sea down there, guys. There's one thing for certain, I wouldn't like to go swimming in that. I'll tell you what, if them waves get on here, you'll be out to sea and you'll never come back again. You'll never be seen again. Jesus Christ. It is sketchy. There's another one coming in. He doesn't have some power in that. Woo! Right guys, that brings day 5 of my Iceland adventure to a conclusion. Had another absolutely epic day today. Brilliant yet again. The scenery, it never ceases to amaze me. Every day is different. just left speechless yet again. This morning down on Stopsness Beach and Eystrahorn, and oh, it's gorgeous. Like, then the waterfalls, and then spent the afternoon at Eystrahorn. Absolutely lovely. So yeah, that's day 5 over and done with. I'm worn out again. It's relentless here. Like, I must admit, I've been on the go all day, every day, from morning till night, and it takes its toll. So anyway, there's not going to be a good sunset tonight because it's thick cloud, and the cloud's quite low, so there's going to be no colour or anything in the sky. So I'm driving back to Hoffen now, get to my hostel, I'm going to have a nice hot shower, get my feet up and chill out. I'm going to upload all these images from today and all my video footage onto my laptop, get that backed up onto hard drives just in case the shit hits the fan. I shouldn't have said that. So yeah, get everything backed up, cameras charged, drones charged, and everything ready for tomorrow. Crack of dawn, up and out, somewhere lovely again. So guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have, please feel free to give us a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, you would help me out massively. So thank you very much. Catch you later.